People toss around the term DMP a lot lately, but what does it actually mean? We're going to explain in a way that you and your clients can understand.
DMP stands for Data Management Platform, where advertisers and agencies can collect data on their audiences and campaigns, correlate the data on an individual level to create targets and optimize campaigns, report out on the data using visualization tools and dashboards, and analyze the data for further optimization down the line.
First step in building a DMP is data collection. The DMP takes structured information from a number of different systems, both internal and external, and organizes it at the individual level.
This is often the part that takes the longest, since what you're doing is organizing many different types of data from different sources, both first party and third party, and organizing them to form a holistic portrait of your customers.
DMPs are our friends, like someone you've worked to build a good foundation with, someone who listens to you, someone who gives you suggestions, kind of like what to have for lunch.
For example, we're at a grocery store right now and we want to make a perfect sandwich. First, we'll need to seek out the best kind of bread from all the way over there. Then we'll have to match the type of bread with the corresponding type of meat, cheese, and vegetables that go with the bread. So everything matches to give you a seamless report or sandwich.
The next step is to actually create those segments within the platform, making sure that your data isn't being combined in ways that don't make sense. And instead, instructing the DMP to forge segments that share particular attributes. These might be psychographic attributes, like interest or income level, demographic attributes, like age, gender, or ethnicity, or they might be behavioral, like whether they've responded to your marketing in the last 3 months.
Once those segments have been created, you can query the database as to pieces of data you actually need for your campaign. Those instructions are basically a combination of who to target, with what message, and sometimes where, for example, what channel or on what device.
The great thing about a DMP is the ability to weave data together from all different kinds of sources, especially when your organization does marketing in a number of ways. And in the next phase, if you decide to start collecting data from a completely new channel, you can always append that to the relational data that you already have.
And now for the fun part. Now that we have all of our data in the DMP, we can go about querying the database and combining the data and eventually pushing it out as a report, or in this case, a delicious sandwich.
Analysis comes once we've seen the data, or in this case, tasted our sandwich. Was the sandwich good? Did the recipe need any changes?
What should we optimize for next time?
Well, I could do without the pickles.
First step in building a DMP. The first step in building a DMP involves data collection. The first step in building a DMP involves data collection.
The DMP takes structured information I can't like now.
This is so hard, right?
DMP stands for Data Management Platform, where advertisers and agencies can collect data. The great thing about a DMP is
to tell us interesting and new things about our data. So, for instance, if I want to go to the DMP and pull